Hi guys, welcome to chemistry. I'm so excited to be able to introduce you to this subject because chemistry is all around us. It helps us to explain how cooking works, to the reactions in our brain, to explaining why volcanoes erupt. But before we can get into all that, we have to start from the basics. And there are two things that we're going to talk about in this video. The first is that everything that you see, from your own body to the computer in front of you to anything that you could possibly imagine in our universe, is made up of atoms. Second, we're going to talk about what an atom is. The diagram that you see in front of you is an atom. And there are three parts of an atom that we need to really hammer down and make sure that we know. And the first is that the center of the atom is called the nucleus. And inside the nucleus, we have two kinds of particles. We have protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, and neutrons do not have a charge. Surrounding the nucleus, we have electrons, and they have a negative charge. So knowing that, let's get started with some problems.